Hello everybody. We just got load shedding. Look how bright this is. But so pretty. So yeah, we're having load shedding now. It's bad. I hate load shedding. I'm so scared. I'm scared something comes in, like, you know, grabs me. But yeah. Ik is zo bang. Jo, Tommy. Oh. Evil. Zoals even flats. Oh, ik ben nog steeds aan. Brrr. See this brrr think about. Brrr. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. Yeah, look how pretty my hair looks today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. Good night for whenever you guys go to bed. Mwah.
You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done.
Do I make you horny, baby?